Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is NAKAE. Welcome back to our Kali Linus tutorial. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and click on notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you will be the first person to watch it. So let's no waste and let's go straight to our today's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how we can work with our IP address, how we can check our network information. So normally using the GUI interface or the graphical user interface, you can click on the network bar here, wide connected. So you can go to wide settings. For those who like using the GUI interface, you can go to the network settings to do your configurations. This the wide set. We don't have Wi-Fi connected, so go to this settings icon here. Pick our IP version 4. Okay, so we don't have DHCP server running, so we are going to use the manual configuration. You can set your IP address. Let's use 192.168.1.1. Yeah, then you set your net max, the subnet max. That's 255.255.255. This is a type C address, so .0. Okay, so for GUI interface, you can use this, then just go to apply and apply your settings. But no, we are going to use the terminal to perform this same work. So let's close this, open our terminal. Let me make it big. Okay, let's change the shell from this to bash. So just type bash. If you don't know how to change your shell, I have a video in the description. The link is there. Go and watch how you can switch between different shells. Okay, let me zoom in. I think I have a shortcut for this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now if you want to check your IP address that you are currently using, you can run the command called ifconfig. ifconfig. Okay, so now our IP address is 192.168.77.1. This is the default one that they have given to us. We have our net max, that's subnet max, and our broadcast address to is here. To show the IP address, you have to use the ifconfig. If you want to check if you have Wi-Fi adapter inserted, or if you want to check the Wi-Fi you are connected to, the IP address you have been given, you can use the iwconfig. You see, currently I don't have any wireless adapter, so I get no results, no wireless extension. So this is how you can check the IP address and the subnet mask you are using. Yeah, so this is how you can check your IP address. Now, what if I don't want to use the 192.168.77.135? I want to use my own IP address. Why is this necessary? Example, as a hacking student, sometimes if you want to do some small particles using other web browsers or online servers, you have to change your IP address so that forensics and cybersecurity experts will not know who you are. Yeah, so you can use this to hide yourself from those experts so that they cannot trace your IP address back to you. So it's very good to know how you can configure your IP addresses, or you can change your IP address to any, so that it will be hard for those forensics to find you during their analysis. Okay, so let's clear our screen. The command we are going to use here is the same ifconfig to set our IP address. So to do this, you type ifconfig. Which IP address are we going to use, or which IP address do we want to use? Let's say you want to use 192.168.1.20. This is the IP address that we want to use. So which Ethernet port? Here we have only one Ethernet port, that's the ETH0. So we are going to set this IP address to that Ethernet port. So we bring the Ethernet port here, so ETH0. This is, so just run it, no such device. Okay, so right from this oh okay, spelling mistake. It is supposed to be 0, not O. Yeah, if nothing shows, this means it is working. So let's try ifconfig again to see if our new IP address is there. Yeah, so our new IP address is 192.168, and we have the subnet mask to here. So this is how you can change your IP address, especially for example, let's say if you want to do denial of service attack, you can do this to spoof your IP address so that the attack will appear to come from another source, and to also help you evade IP capture during forensic analysis. So this is very cool thing that as a hacking student you have to learn. So this is how you can change your IP address using the ifconfig command. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. I have another video on how you can change your subnet mask or your network mask and broadcast address to common. So subscribe, keep waiting. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.